Oh, hello everyone. Welcome on board the Sketchcan Caravan,
where you can learn to draw a submarine. This is an underwater ship. I think it looks a cross between a space rocket and a fish. Let's start by drawing a big lying down oval in the middle of the page. You can draw a circle in the middle of the submarine for a window, and another one near the back, one line that goes all the way around. And then at the front of the submarine we're going to have a huge window that goes from the top to the bottom of the submarine's body, so the people inside can see all around them. Often on top of submarines there's a little tower with a periscope sticking out the top. A periscope is like a telescope. It sticks up above the water so the people inside the submarine can see what's going on above the sea level. We're going to use a lying down rectangle with curvy corners for the tower. So on top of your submarine, draw a short line up, across the top and down the other side of the rectangle. Just above this, we're going to draw the circular part of the periscope. So find the space that's just above the front of your tower and draw a skinny standing up oval. Then from the bottom edge of that oval, we're going to draw a straight line back and then down to meet the middle of the tower. And then we can do the same on the top. So find the top edge of the oval, draw a straight line back, you can curve around the corner and then go straight down to the top of the tower. On the back of the submarine is something called a propeller. It spins around very fast and pushes the submarine through the water. First we need to draw a semicircle. So starting on the back, go up and over the rainbow, and then we're going to draw a teardrop shape, which is a bit like an oval with a pointy end, and the pointy part's going to be on the top of the rainbow. So draw up and over and back down to the point where you started, and then from the same point you can go down and around and back up to the point. We also have fins on the back of the submarine, just like a fish. They help to stabilise the submarine in the water, stop it from wobbling around too much. We're going to use 2 triangles for these. So just above your propeller, draw a straight line out to a point and back into the submarine's body. And do the same underneath, out to a point and back in. Now it's time for you to use your imagination. I wonder what you'll add to your drawing. Are you going to draw the people inside? Are you going to show us what they're looking at in the water all around them? Don't forget to add some colour when you're finished.